Welcome to yCloud. Today, let's learn about WhatsApp Blue Tick verification, what it is, why it matters, and how to apply for free. The WhatsApp Blue Tick, also called the official verification badge, appears next to a business account name, proving it's an official WhatsApp business account. Let's start by talking about why you should apply for the WhatsApp Blue Tick. A verified WhatsApp business account, OBA, offers clear advantages over a regular account. First, authenticity. The blue badge is granted by Meta, proving that your business is real and trustworthy. Second, credibility. Customers are more likely to engage with businesses officially verified by WhatsApp. And most importantly, higher conversions. Verified accounts see, on average, a 40% increase in customer reply rates. Best of all, applying through yCloud is completely free, with no extra cost. To apply, your business must meet these criteria. Use an active WhatsApp Business API account. Complete Facebook business verification. Have at least 5 organic news articles. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and be a reputable and well-known brand. So, how do you apply for the Blue Tick? Here's a quick walkthrough. First, log into your yCloud business dashboard and go to the number management page. Look for the number that has already completed WABA registration. Next, hover over the grayed out badge icon and click the Apply for Blue Tick button. Then, in the pop-up window, fill in the required information and submit your request. Now, just wait for the system to review and approve it. Verification offers many benefits, reduces suspension risk, boosts message open rates up to 70%, enhances brand trust and exposure, helping your business stand out. Here are some common questions you may be wondering about. Is there a fee to apply for the Blue Tick? No, applying through yCloud is completely free. Is the WhatsApp Blue Tick the same as the green tick? Yes. The Blue Tick is now the new unified badge used by WhatsApp. Does activating the API automatically give you a blue tick? No, you'll still need to submit a separate application. Which types of businesses are not eligible? WhatsApp does not support applications from industries like tobacco, gambling, or adult services. Can I use the WhatsApp API without a blue tick? Absolutely. The badge simply means your business profile has been officially verified by WhatsApp. It's not required to use the API. That's all for our introduction to the WhatsApp Blue Tick. If you want to get your own official badge, log into yCloud and apply for free today. Want a more detailed application guide? Follow us and send us a message now.